Pride Month event ng CBA titled The Sweetness of Acceptance. Ay, mali! Tayo ang kalayaan, The Sweetness of Acceptance.
Yay! Nangyayari today, guys. Waiting kami magbukas ang theater. Yan, guys, yung ginagawa namin for today. Minecraft, guys. Nagma-Minecraft tayo.
As in yung pinaka-main host, Nathan, and then Ella.
And announce our winners for this.
Women, she isn't one to mince words. Whether she's fighting for their right to self-determination or simply
Pagod na siya, guys. And ito ang nangyayari ngayon. Ang daming vacancy.
Our blessing party extravaganza is Miss Ashton!
Our second runner-up is candidate number 1.
Kami. Anong bibilin mo, ate? Dami niyang pera, guys. Bibili siya ng kanyang lip balm.